Hello, friends. Today I am going to talk about a very personal gadget which we hold and care more than a baby. My topic is wire to wireless. Sir Graham Bell has given us such a gift. Word thank you will be less for him. 1877 was that precious and unforgettable year. Word hello was first word which was used for phone and it continues till now. Phone has a very important role in our life. Once again, thanks to Sir Alexander Graham Bell. If no electric telephone, no wireless phone. Sometimes good talks, sometimes bad talks, sometimes discussion, and sometimes romantic talk was only possible through this phone. It is so close to us, like a second wife for a married man and second husband for a wife. Lover for a teenager, alarm for a kumbhakaran, school for a student and teacher, bank and shopping mall for everyone, entertainment for 1 year old to 90 plus, even temple and church for devotees. Everywhere, anywhere with it, from bed to washroom, from home to office, from market to movie theater, from one country to another. Can't live without it. Day and night, 24 by 7, 365 days, it is with us. Sometimes I feel my phone knows me more than my mom and my life partner. Once there was a time when people had to run to get their phone. Now it's in everyone's pocket and in ladies' purse. Generation change, phone change from wire to wireless. This is how the world changed. Once again, thank you, Sir Bill, who invented and gave us such a wonderful gift. Thank you.